I'm Glenn Lawson.
And I'm Lawson-Fenning.
And we're here at Lawson-Fenning. We have a line of over 250 pieces of case goods, upholstery, lighting, and accessories for the home. We launched our first collection in 2001, and we've been in our Melrose Avenue showroom since 2015.
We've developed a custom finish. It's a color finish we call pigmented oak. We do this on white oak. The process begins with wire brushing the soft grain out of the oak, and then we put a light coat of color on top of that. Then that is actually sanded down again, and then we do sealer on top of that, and then the sealer's lightly sanded, and then there's 2 to 3 coats of color after that. The process takes 2 to 3 days to complete. And what we really like about it is the designers can pick any color that they're working with or they want to highlight the piece with, and it still shows the natural beauty of the oak, but then you also have the color as well.
Here's the final product in solid oak and our ebonized finish.
This solid oak rim, we actually developed a bit just to make this shape, and we're super proud of it. It's 4 pieces that are attached together. You can also see the wood grain on the top is going in 2 different directions, which I think is very dynamic.